Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this simple and easy flower. So let's get started. I am using a 2.5mm crochet hook and this white yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this, and now with the help of crochet hook draw the second yarn. So this is magic ring. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go through magic ring, pull back, pull the yarn through 2 loops and pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our double crochet stitch. Now make another double crochet stitch into the magic ring. Again make double crochet into the magic ring and again make double crochet into the magic ring. So in this way make total of 12 double crochet stitches including the 3 chain. I have made 11 double crochet stitches plus 3 chain, total of 12 double crochet stitches. Now close the ring and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now first round is completed. For the second one, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now make a double crochet into the same chain 3. Now into the next, make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now into the next one, again make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now into the next stitch, again increase, make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So in this round we would increase in every stitch, so make 2 in each. So in the last we would have total of 24 double crochet stitches including the starting 3 chain. Make a slip stitch into the third chain to close this round. Now for the third round again make 3 chains which will also be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now into this same chain 3 make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now we have 3 double crochet stitches including 3 chain. Make chain 1, skip 1 double crochet stitch and into the next one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same stitch. Make chain 1, skip 1 stitch and into the next one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same stitch. Again make chain 1, skip 1 and into the next one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same stitch. So in this way skip 1 and make 3 in the next by chaining 1. So I have completed my round. Last stitch is remaining which will be left. Make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Third round is also finished. Now we would make our last round. For that we have to work into the second double crochet stitch. So make a slip stitch in this double crochet stitch, make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this double crochet stitch. Now we have to work into this chain 1 space right here. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then last one is double crochet 5. After 5 double crochets, make a single crochet into this second double crochet stitch. Now work into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then this is the first double crochet stitch. Into the next double crochet stitch, which is the second one, make a single crochet. Now into the next chain 1 space, make 5 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Again make single crochet into the second double crochet stitch. So in this way, make 5 double crochets in each chain 1. So I have completed my last round. To finish it, make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round and pull the yarn, cut it with cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of yarn needle, we would weave these yarn ends at the back side of our work. So take this yarn end at the back side of flower and pull the yarn needle through some stitches to secure the work. Now remove the needle and cut the starting yarn tail and this yarn end also. Now our flower is ready. If you like this video, please give it huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel also. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Bye.